How to fix MoonPay pre-authorization hold. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can fix the pre-authorization hold on MoonPay, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, a pre-authorization hold is a temporary charge to check your card balance. It goes away on its own and it normally clears within 1 to 7 business days depending upon your bank. So the reason it happens is because your MoonPay checks if your card has enough money before a purchase, your bank holds these funds for a short time, or a failed or cancelled orders also triggered this check. Now, in order to fix or clear the hold, the first is to wait for the timer. You can normally see it on your activity page because most holds disappear in 1 to 3 business days and some banks take up to 7 or 10 business days. You can look at your email or the MoonPay dashboard to see if the transaction failed or finished. You can also call your bank if the hold stays past 7 days and ask them to release the pending authorization charge. You can switch to a debit card or a bank account with fewer restrictions if your card keeps blocking purchases. And hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.